Hey guys, welcome back. This is LEENA. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are enjoying, and it's Holi. It's my favorite festival. I love Holi. But now because of the situation, हम इतने ज़ोरों शोरों से खेल नहीं सकते. So I'm just gonna have like a small get together, a small party that I'm gonna go to. So I thought I'll just do like a Holi look and show it to you guys, so that even y'all can try this. And I know Holi पे ज़्यादा makeup वगैरह करना is like weird, but I like to dress up and go at least before वाले pictures will come, you know. So I'm gonna do like a simple Holi look. It's mostly gonna be like waterproof makeup, and I'm gonna show this now. So let's start. Of course, moisturize, and if you moisturize the skin like really well, you know that color won't stay for long on your skin. You can use oil also, but because I'm going to do my makeup, oil lagana would be nice because your makeup will come off. So I've moisturized my skin. Then very important step is sunscreen. It's really important because you'll be out in the sun. So the sunscreen that I'm using is by Shield, and it's their oil-free sunscreen, and which is SPF 40, which is good for this weather. So I'm just going to take this, apply it all over my skin. So next is my primer. I'm using this by Smashbox. So this is the photo finish, smooth and blur. So this will help my makeup stay for long. Moving on to my foundation, and for that I'll be using this one by Bobbi Brown. So this is their long wear weightless foundation. This also has SPF 15, which is good because I'm going to be out in the sun, and this stays for really long. So you can use any waterproof foundation, or this works for me, so I'm going to use this. So I'm just going to take it on my beauty blender. Tap tap tap. I just want like a natural look. I'm not going to do something really crazy, but yeah, maybe like my eyeshadow, I'll go for blue or like smoky eyeshadow. Let's see, let's just start. So I'm done with applying my foundation. So I didn't like apply too much. It's just like a natural finish. That's it. Because my outfit is blue and white, so I just thought I'll do some like smoky blue kind of an eyeshadow look. So I'm just going to take some blue and black and mix it, and then I'm going to apply it. So this is the eyeshadow palette. This is the SEPHORA. So I'm going to use these blue colors here. I'm going to mix it with a little black, and then I'm going to do this. So this is the color. I've done this eye. I'm going to do this one now. So I'm just taking little and then I'm blending it. I don't want it to be too dark. So that's it guys, done with my eyeshadow. Now moving on to my eyeliner. The eyeliner today that I'll be using is this. It's Wet and Wild. So because I'm wearing something a little traditional, I'm going to do like a pink liner, thora Indian look here. So moving on to my mascara, and be using this mascara. This is by Essence. This is the Get Big Lashes. So this is waterproof. Please remember to use a waterproof mascara. After applying the mascara, I'm going to use this Kajal. This is by Plum. This is also waterproof. Moving on to my brows, and for that I'll be using Benefit. This is the bronzing, and I'm going to use this side. This is the powder side. I don't want that. I'm going to use this side, the gel pen part, because I want it to stay for long. So I'm going to quickly do my brows. I'm going to conceal my under eyes. I'll be using this Huda Beauty Concealer. So very little. And then I'm going to use my fingertips. After this, I'm going to use some blush. This is the blush I'll be using today. This is by Faces Canada. I'm just going to take this. Oh, that's way too much. One very little. So once all of this is done, I'm going to set my makeup with this Fit Me Loose powder. I'm just going to take it out under my eyes, near my smile lines. I'm going to set everything. Just setting everything, I'm going to use my lipstick, of course. So this is the lipstick that I'll be applying today. It's by Forever 52. So don't want it to be too dark, so I'm just gonna apply this. So guys, I'm done with my makeup. I just want to put like a bindi or wear something on my neck. Just brush my hair. I'll be right back and show you my complete look. So guys, I'm ready for Holi party. This is my complete look. I just put a bindi, and I don't know if you can see my necklace. It's a really cute necklace, and these earrings. I am all set for a Holi party. So I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you liked it. Do try this. Let me know in the comment section below. And also, please be safe, okay? Safe raho, enjoy yourselves. And make sure that you use sunscreen, very important. Also apply oil all over your body so that you don't want the color to like stay. And use good colors. Please don't use like chemicals and all. It's not good for your skin, and you know, you don't want to harm your skin and all of that. Don't want to have like rashes and all. So go ahead, enjoy yourself, and I will see you soon. Happy Holi, guys. Bye.